Okay, ready, Charlie? You excited?
You ready to go in the snow?
Ooh, Daddy's gonna put you in the snow.
Go!
Can you walk?
Go on. It's too deep.
Woohoo!
Whoa! Boom!
Oh!
The snow is falling on your face.
Hi. What do you want? Do you want me to come hug you? Do you want me to give you a kiss? No kisses? Charlie, can you say snow? Charlie, I want you to say snow. Good job. Okay. See how pretty it is out here. Pretty trees. Okay.